Okay, I'm picking this up. When the court in which a termination of parental rights petition is filed determines that the child is under the jurisdiction of a different family court, the court shall stay its proceeding for not more than 30 days. The family court that exercised jurisdiction over the most recent placement permanency proceeding, which court determines whether it will accept or decline jurisdiction over the termination of parental rights proceeding. Summarized on record by the court where the new petition filed, both courts, they're going to notify the parties. So both courts are going to notify the parties and child's attorney, give opposition to present facts and legal, or give them the opportunity to present facts and legal arguments to the court about, God, I really can't see. Arguments, the court, something, participate in, I don't know what this stands for. Prior to issuance of a decision on the jurisdiction, then there's an order which the court determines whether it will accept or decline jurisdiction over the termination of parental rights proceeding. Okay, so let me go over this again, because this shit is one of those things where it's all over the place. Because somebody filed the TRP in this court, they ended up finding out that a different family court has jurisdiction over the placement. That was the last proceeding, was in a different court, so the jurisdiction of the child is in a different court from where that petition was filed. That TRP petition, termination of parental rights petition, was filed. Then they end up finding out that the child is under the jurisdiction of where the placement proceeding was held. So they're trying to figure out where is this petition, like, where is it going to be filed, because the original jurisdiction for placement was in a different family court. So when they find that out, they shall stay the proceeding for not more than 30 days. They're trying to figure out what the hell they're going to do. Will the child remain jurisdiction under the original family court or where this petition is filed? The family court that exercised jurisdiction over the most recent placement for permanency proceeding, summarized on record by court where the new petition is filed. Both courts are going to notify the parties and the child's attorney, give them the opportunity to present facts and legal arguments to the court about participation in, I don't know what this fucking word is, it's COMM, prior to issuance of a decision on where the jurisdiction is going to stay, whether it's going to stay in the original family court or the new family court where the petition for termination of parental rights was just filed. So there'll be an order, which an order will be then put out, which the court determines whether it will accept or decline jurisdiction over the termination of parental rights proceedings. So I'm assuming that order is going to come from where they filed that petition, with everything that their child's attorneys put in and all the different considerations. The court is going to put out an order and say, okay, the jurisdiction's now going to move to where the thing was filed, or no, you got to go to the other court where the original jurisdiction was over the child. So there'll be an order where the court makes that decision. And that's SSL 384B C-12.